In this video, we will be discussing about factors and multiples. Factors are also known as divisors. What are factors and multiples? So we can say that 15 can be written as 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 is a factor of 15. 5 is also a factor of 15. Right? Similarly, another example, 70 can be written as 2, 5 and 7. These are nothing but the prime factors of 70. Like this, 2, 35, 5, 7 and 7, 1. Right? So 2 is a factor of 70, 5 is a factor of 70, 7 is also a factor of 70. Factor means in the table of 2 you will get 70, in the table of 5 you will get 70, in the table of 7 you will get 70, right? And now this 70 is called the multiple of 2 or a multiple of 5 or a multiple of 7. Similarly, this 15 is a multiple of 3 or this multiple of 5, right? So a number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of that number. 3 divides 15 exactly, therefore 3 is factor of 15. And the given number, that is 15, is called a multiple of any of the factors, right? Now 15 is completely divisible by 2 more numbers, that is 1 and 15 itself, right? So this 1 and 15 are known as improper factors, and 3 and 5 are known as the proper factors of 15. Again, 24 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. These are nothing but the prime factors of 24. So not only 2 and 3 are the factors, we may have different combinations, like 2 into 2 would be 4 multiplied by 3 into 2 would be 6. So 4 and 6 are also the factors of 24. So if you can arrange these numbers as product of two different numbers, those would be the factors of 24. Like one is 24 can be written as 4 into 6, another 24 can be written as 8 into 3. So 8 would also be a factor of 24. Similarly, 24 can be written as 12 into 2. So 12 is again a factor of 24, right? So to get all the factors, we will combine these numbers, right? And combine in such a way to get two different numbers so as to get product of those numbers 24, right? So I'm writing the factors of 24. So 24, the starting point should be 1 and the ending point should be 24. These are the improper factors of 24. Now we will write the proper ones: 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. These are the different factors of 24, right? Always take starting point as 1 and ending point as the number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 factors of 24, right? Now some important points. Every factor of a number n is always less than or equal to that number. Similarly, every multiple of a number n is greater than or equal to n always, right? We have finite number of factors, but infinite number of multiples, right? For example, the table of 6, we can have 6 times 60, 6 11 66, 6 into 12 6 72, and so on. So we have infinite multiples of 6, right? Similarly, every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, this is the most basic one.